You've got the main screen here. To edit, we will go into About MVC, click on Members, comes in with a login. What we're going to do is we're going to go put in your username plus password and log in. What this does now, it gives you the opportunity to edit areas. Yeah, and the way you edit is through this little icon here. If you move your mouse over, you see the little hand move over, and you'll see Edit Article. So in this case here, this particular article here is editable. So we'll click on that. What you've got here is the edit view of that article. Okay, what you have is the title. We do not change the title at all. When you're actually editing, do not change the title because the back of programming relates to that. Okay, what we've got here is the actual editing tool. You have got, just like Microsoft Word, bold, italic, underline, strikeout, and so forth. If you want to put a table in there, you can actually enter a table. There it is there. So if you move your mouse over any of these little icons, it tells you what you can actually put into the text area. This is the actual document here. You can see I'm scrolling down. And that's the article that's on the front page of the website. So if we want to turn around and change what that looks like, we can highlight it. We can change the size here. We can change the color by clicking on there, and you can see the color there. You can change the font, but we'll leave it as it is at the moment. Once you've changed what you want to change here, you then click on Save up there. We can turn around and put, say if we want to put a picture at the bottom of this, we just press Enter, and then we can go to Image, click on Image. It'll come up with a pop-up box. Here we actually click on Browse Server. Okay, what this is, these are the files that's actually on the server, not on your computer. If you want to turn around and upload a photo from your computer, you must click on down here, Browse. So if we want to bring a photo up, so if we want to bring up this one here from my computer, we then select the photo, click Open, and then we send it to the server. This will bring it up to this particular folder. If you want to click it, leave it all in one folder, let's click on Images. As you can see, we've already got images there. And we just then click this and it'll upload the photo from your computer into the images folder. Okay, it's there. So if we want to select that photo, you can actually move your mouse over it and you will able to preview that image. So if we want to turn around and select that one, click on it, and there's the image there. We can set the size. Now, suggestion for the width for an article is around about 200 to 250. Now, if you change the width, it will automatically change the height, and that's fine. If you want to turn around and, because that's the size that will go on the actual article, if you want to turn around and then want the person to be able to click on that image to the full size, then we go over to link. We then click browse server. Go over to resource type, click on images. As you can see, there's the folder images. We click on there. Then we find that actual particular photo that resized, which is that one there. Click on that. Then what will happen now is that when the person clicks on that photo, the larger image will come up. Here we can turn around and say, right, do we want it to stay, go on the new tab or new window, or do we want to just keep it where it is and we'll just leave it not set? Okay, so what we've done here is we've set the smaller image at that size. We've also put a link, so when they click on that image, it will actually bring up the full size image. So we'll press OK. And there you can see the smaller image there in the actual article. Now if I click on save, go down, there's the picture, and then if I click on that, there's the picture, the full size picture. Okay, I'll just go back out there and take that picture out. This blue screen here saying article successfully saved, ignore that because anyone else will not see it. So only you will see that as the editor. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the icon again to edit. I'll go down. Go down to the article. Scroll down. Click on that picture and then delete it. Okay, that's gone. Now, the other thing is here, do not ignore any of these buttons around here at this stage. Leave all this information. This just tells us when you've edited and so forth. So ignore that. All you need to worry about is what's inside this dialog box. As I said, once you've done the changes, click save or click save. Okay, so that's saved, and as you can see, that image is now gone.